Hey there, Tom Woods here, and thanks for visiting my new YouTube channel. I have made a commitment from February 2020 to produce one video per week that will help improve your journey to becoming a better photographer. Each week I'll film and release either a tutorial, a behind the scenes photo shoot, or a location shoot that will give you tips and strategies to fast track your goals of becoming a wizard behind the lens. Follow along as I face challenges and adventures shooting my main fields of photography, which are surf adventure, commercial and travel photography. The videos will be aimed at beginners right through to seasoned professionals. So with each clip, hopefully uncovering something new or giving you a fresh perspective on how you can take your photography further. Going through life with a camera as my main tool of trade has opened up so many opportunities to travel, meet interesting people, and have a creative outlet that has given me a full-time career that has supported my family since 2004. If you love photography, then this is a good place to stop by once a week to get some tips and inspiration. I would love you to subscribe, comment, or hit that belly thing, which I believe will give you a heads up every time I upload new content, or you can remember just to check in every Sunday evening for a new installment. I'm committed to helping those who are truly focused on improving their skills behind the camera. It's an epic hobby, a rewarding pastime, and if you want to take it further, it's an amazing career to be involved with. I'm here to help, so please reach out with any questions.